rich niggas want her. Here we go, let's go. Want her. All the rich niggas want her. Yeah. Want her. All the rich niggas want her. Come on. Want her. All the rich niggas want her.
Hey everyone, it's Miss Brit here, back with another makeup tutorial. Today I'm gonna try to do like a pink eye look. It's January, what's today? It's the beginning of January, but maybe this can be like a February, Valentine's Day type thing. So I'm gonna do a pink cut crease with maybe I'll do a gold eyelid and a pink cut crease. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera and I prepped my eyelids. They're shiny, glittery because of the primer I used. I used M.A.C eyeshadow base in the shade White Pearl. I'm gonna start off with one of my base shades. Let's see, I'm gonna start off with one of these shades, these contour shades, as my base shade. And then I'm gonna go in with a pink shade. When you're putting on your base shade, kind of extend it out farther than your eye goes. So I changed my mind and decided to be a little bit extra today. So we'll see how this goes. Instead, I'm gonna use like this brown color. And I'm still gonna do the pink, but it's gonna be a little bit different. So, just pray for me. We'll just see how this goes. Now it doesn't have to be neat because you're blending it out anyways. So I'm gonna use this brush right here, my crease brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. You're gonna blend it out and you're gonna cut your crease anyways, so it doesn't really need to be super neat. Just make sure you know where you're gonna like cut it at. So I'm gonna go in with that brown and I'm just gonna go over it, and then I'm gonna go back over it with that base shade. Now I'm gonna take my CNC RK by Kiss in the color Golden Honey, and I'm gonna put some on my wrist right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Try to use a good amount of product because if you use too little, you're not gonna cut your crease correctly. Open your eye like so, and that'll help you like find your line. where you cut your crease. Once you have cut your crease, you go back in with the black another time, and you just fix it on. Now I'm gonna grab my Maybelline Eye Studio in the shade Charcoal. So I thought this up right like in the middle of me doing my makeup. I'm going to bring my eyeliner underneath, like a little bit of space underneath that line, and just fill it in halfway. Now I'm just smudging it out with a black shadow and a crease brush. Now I use a flat brush and I go in with this beautiful, beautiful color by I think it's M.A.C Cosmetics in the shade Sunset Shimmer Powder. Look how beautiful that shade is, you guys. So I just get a little bit of that and try to find where that line is and just pack it on. And I'm using this shade right here, this little whitish shade. I'm using Nightmoth by, I think this was M.A.C. It's very broke, like ugly pencil. I don't know how to describe it, but you know, it's not cute. I can't read the words. So I'm overlining my lip a little bit, just a tad bit. When I overline my lip, I'm still on the line. It's just like one little teensy weensy bit off the line, just to make them look a little bit bigger. Matte by LA Girl, in the shade Rebel, I think. And last but not least, I'm gonna take Oriental Pink and just go like in the middle of that. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. If you like it or if you don't like it, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment anything you want to, negative, positive. I'm here to grow just like you are. So if you would please just help me and tell me what you don't like about it. Tell me what you do like about it so I can get better. And so you can get better. I will be updating things that I do wrong when I do my makeup, so that way when I get better I can teach you what I've learned or what I've been taught. That way, sorry, I'm cleaning up. That way you can get better when I get better, you know? Just a learning process. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, the whole shebang. Did I say Twitter? Twitter. I think I did. Anyways, please follow me. My names are in the description box below, and everything I used, if you didn't catch it the first time, will be in the description box below. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys who are subscribed to me and following me as I go through this learning process. By the way, if you notice my nails and you're saying to yourself, girl, do something about that. Like, yeah, I broke my nails to the like roots part, so like, yeah, they were like cracked and they were bleeding, and I had to like take them off, and I had to clip them and I have to let them grow out because my nails are like paper thin right now. So if I just took them off, my whole nail would come off with it. So yeah, I know it sounds kind of gross, but I gotta have them like this for a minute, unfortunately. But yeah, just to let you know if you're wondering. Apologize that you had to see it like this, in this manner, in this condition. It does look very bummy, very ghetto, but you know, it is what it